Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to verify your identity on PrizePicks. So, if you're trying to cash out PrizePicks but is stuck on identity verification, I will show you the exact steps to verify your identity on PrizePicks in 2025 so you can withdraw your winnings without issues. So, PrizePicks requires identity verification to follow legal regulations and prevent fraud. Without verification, you can't withdraw money. And here's what you will need. You will need three things: a government issued ID like driver's license, passport or state ID, and clear selfie or facial verification, and sometimes proof of address, that is utility bill or bank statement. So these are the three things that you need to keep in mind that you must have. Now, let's go through the process step by step. So first of all, you'll have to open the PrizePicks application, then navigate to settings on that application, then navigate to account verification. Then click verify identity and upload a clear photo of your ID. Take a selfie as prompted and make sure it matches your ID. If required, upload proof of address and submit and wait for approval. That should be usually within 24 hours. Now, if your verification gets rejected, here's how you can fix it. If your verification is rejected due to blurry ID photo, retake with better lighting. If it is due to selfie doesn't match, remove glasses, hats and retry. If it's due to name mismatch, ensure that your PrizePicks name matches your ID. And if it's pending for too long, contact PrizePicks support for help. And that's how you verify your identity on PrizePicks in 2025. If you found this guide helpful, hit the like, subscribe and drop a comment if you have any questions. See you in the next video.